So today we're looking at a concept of percentage increase and percentage decrease. So what you do is you have a value or a quantity and you're increasing it or decreasing it by a certain amount of that percentage. So let's look at this example. The number of patients admitted to the Royal Brisbane Hospital this year who broke their arm is 64% greater than the number admitted last year for this condition. So if 573 patients who broke their arm were admitted last year, how many were admitted this year? So there's two methods you can do this. The first method is you find 64% of 573 and then you add that to 573. So 64% of 573 equals 366.72. So 573 plus 366.72 equals 939.72. But this is the number of patients admitted, so we're going to round it to the closest whole number. So that's going to equal 940 patients. So that's method one. Another method is we can look at 573 as 100% and we're increasing it by we're increasing it by 64%. So what we want to do essentially is find out 100% plus 64%, which equals 164%. So then we can multiply 573. So then we can multiply 573 by 164%. So to do that, 573 times by 1 over 100, and that equals 939.72. But again, we're going to round it to the nearest whole number. So what we've done in this first one is we've found out 64% of 573, then we've added that on. Whereas in the second method, we know that 573 equals 100%, but we want to add 64% to the original value. So we can use that doing percentages. So 100 plus 64 equals 164%. So the next year, how many patients were admitted this year is 164%. And then we multiply 573 by 164%. As you can see, you get the same value doing both methods. So think about which method works best for you, and then you can do that method. And this is also another way to really easily check your answer. So if we look at percentage decrease, so the number of patients who were admitted to the Royal Brisbane Hospital this year who broke their leg playing sport is 21%. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to say less than the number admitted for this condition last year. If 230 patients who broke their leg were admitted last year, how many were admitted this year? So let's have a look at the two methods. The first method that we looked at was finding the percentage. First method was finding the percentage, 21% of 230, which equals 21 divided by 100 times by 230, and that equals 48.3, and then we add that on to original. So the original is 230. We subtracted because we're looking at a decrease. Subtract. So 230 take away 48.3, which equals 181.7. Once again, this is the number of patients, so we're going to round it to the closest whole number, so that's 182. So the other method is, we know that 230 is 100%, but there's a 21% decrease. So it's 100%, take away 21, which equals 79%. And then we can say we want to find 79% of 230. Because that's the next year, if there's a 21% decrease in the number of patients admitted, then the next year there's only going to be 79% of that original value. So 79 divided by 100 times by 230 equals 181.7. Once again, round that to the nearest whole number. So the first method is you find the percentage of the original and then subtract that percentage from the original. The second method, so method 2, is you want to look at what percentage is going to be in the second year. So you have 100% and you're minusing that 21% to get 79%, and then you find what 79% of 230 is, and then you can say again they equal the same number.